Hi everyone. Today we will be going through a very interesting platform called as replicate.com, which is a cloud platform which provides you access to all the big models that you might not be able to load in your local system like DALI, Stable Diffusion, Llama 2, Llama 2 13 billion model, or like other text to audio text models. So to use these models, it becomes very easy. You don't need to install any git repo. Eventually you can use a python package and then the api provided by the replicate platform for free of cost. So I will be showing you a demo how you can use replicate, and let's explore this whole platform as well. So once you log in, you get a replicate api token. As you can see here, I won't be opening this as my api token would be visible. Then eventually you can see that these are the models that have run successfully in the past. It is maintaining history for that. Now once you go to the explore section, you can see what are the different models present: animate your personalized text to image, illusion, xcts, multilingual text to speech, llama 270 billion chat, code llama, sdxl. So all these models you might not be able to load into your local system. So in that case you can use replicate and eventually implement these. So I will be showing you a demo for how you can use it for stable diffusion, for example. So here you can see that the stable diffusion model. So you can get the information about the stable diffusion GitHub repo also, and here you can see the demo also. So if you don't want to wish to use the API for your code, so here you can directly use it using the GUI. If you want to use it with Python, so here you can see that they're providing an API key here. We need to pip install replicate. To install replicate, then you need to provide a replicate API token as I showed you earlier, and then eventually you need to copy paste this code, and you would be able to run your code very easily. So in this case, I'm using replicate using lang chains, but for DALI, I'm using it directly. So here you can see that for mini DALI version that is present in replicate, I am putting replicate, I'm providing it with the API for DALI, and eventually I'm providing it the input text also, the prompt tiger and elephant fighting, and eventually as you can see that it is able to generate URLs for the images, and once you open them, you would be able to see these URLs. So in this way, you can the replicate is providing many models that you might not be able to load, ranging from audio generation, control net diffusion models, embedding models, image editing, image restoration. So it's not necessary that you load into python only. You can run them directly also from the platform itself.